Saint Chavara, Kuriakos Elias, the glory of Carmel you are. The stunning star of heaven, the shining flower of India, we praise you, we honor you, shower your blessings on us. Saint Chavara, Kuriakos Elias, the glory of Carmel you are. The stunning star of heaven, the shining flower of India, we praise you, we honor you, shower your blessings on us.
They have presented some of the values Saint Chavara upheld. I don't know whether you understood its real depth or not, I don't know. I don't think. Here in the school, when a student of low caste came, teacher said he cannot be taught along with the other students of upper caste. Then Chavara said, no, all are children of God. In 1846, he started the first Sanskrit school. You know, Sanskrit is considered as Deva Bhasha. Now also we consider at that time also. He started a Sanskrit school for all the students, irrespective of the caste. See, Saint Chavara's time means it was 1805. He was born in 1805. We have already crossed 200 years. Still, we belong to that attitude, upper caste, lower caste. We are not yet grown to accept everyone as human being. At that time, we Chavara could think of people of different castes together. It was a great, very unexpected challenge for the people. That's why we call him a saint. He walked before times, walked ahead of times, and all his attempts for well-being of the society, well-being of the church, if we study one by one, we will marvel. That's why we call him a saint. He treaded path, untrodden path, but now we are treading behind him. So many students, if you really feel great, well, one thing I'd like you to remember, all people, irrespective of caste and creed, all are God's children. All have equal dignity, irrespective of the post, irrespective of finance, irrespective of education, all are God's children. If we can accept everyone with that attitude, that is great. As children of Saint Chavara, as daughter of Saint Chavara, as a daughter of CNC, this is what I'd like to write in your minds. Thank you once again, Hari. Congratulations. God bless you all.